Hello, it's Squirrel Watch day, well, what would this be, day 8? 5, 6 and 7, there wasn't any squirrels, God knows where they've been to. But day 8, and it's been pouring down since about, well, 10 o'clock last night. But we have a happy squirrel eating the bird food, and looking surprisingly cute in the rain. I'm staying inside because it's still pouring down. I might show you a little bit of the rain. Well, you can see some of it on the camera, but hold on. Ooh, I don't know, what's that? Can you see? There we go. It's pouring down with rain. And you might actually, if I can, I don't know if I can do this. Where'd the squirrel go? Oh, I think he might be gone. Oh, no, he's still there. Over to the northeast, over that direction, to the side of the shed, over there. There's still lightning going on. There was lightning going on at midnight last night. And the lightning is still going on now, so it's a wet and windy and nasty and horrible day, but at least the poor squirrel is getting something to eat. Never did pick a name for the squirrel. Answers on a postcard to Chris in Texas. Well, I guess he's just gonna sit there nibbling on his bird food. So that'll do for now. Bye bye, catch you later, and have a wonderful day. Bye.